Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your man Zay Fazo, and I'm back. Shit, and I'm back. One of the banger. Today, look. Truth be told, today my first day on the job. I should write that up as a ticket, you heard? Should get him a fat ass ticket. Now I'm gonna leave him alone. Today my first day on the job. I'm gonna be posing as a big construction worker. I'm gonna be handing out tickets. I'm gonna be directing traffic. I'm gonna be handing out tickets. Shit, I don't really know what to really expect, but just know I'm gonna be on y'all ass today. You know what I'm saying? Straight though, word. Yeah. Alright, without further ado, shit, it's time to go start my shit. Alright, boys, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to see what's up with this. Hold up. I'm on the job now. I'm on the clock. Look, come on, move. I'm going. Come on, bro, you good? You good? Man, they really listen to this too. Alright, hold on. Yeah, turn that. Yeah. Man, sit your dumb ass down. Come on. Yeah. Alright, y'all boys good? Man, so many cars out here, man. Hold up. Come on. Let's go. Hold up out here. Wait. Yeah, where y'all going today? Y'all coolin'? Y'all good? Y'all got no Zaza on y'all?
No sir, not me.
I've been out here all day, bro. I'm trying to get some Zaza. Y'all got no Zaza? Damn. I bet y'all good. Come on. That way. Come on. Yeah. Y'all going that way? Alright. Yeah, you know. Look, I'm really too nice at this. I'm directing traffic. I make it easy on them. Ain't no flood, ain't no traffic, ain't nothing holding up nothing around here. Most definitely. They need me. They should put me on the payroll. Yeah. There you go. You on that way? Yeah, go ahead. What are you doing? Let's go. Come on.
You don't see ready. Come down.
Yeah, they told me to come out here. There's too much traffic going around here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't see them?
Not the actual city?
Yeah, you don't see? It's ready to come out.
Oh, what? Them?
The city, boy, the city.
Wait a minute.
Oh, the city bus.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
You don't figure it out, it's ready. Pass down. It's ready pass down.
What time is it right now?
I don't know.
Oh, I got you right now. Basically, I just switched from one location to the other location. Right now, we're at the second location. All I'm gonna be doing is when people pass by, when they driving through, I'm gonna stop them. I'm gonna act like they're violating some type of COVID regulation. They might not see like it's funny at first, but I'm doing it for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. What's going on with you? Where you going today? Going to your house?
Yeah.
Are you not going out the city?
Nah.
It's just you in here, right?
Yeah, why?
No, I'm just following regulations, doing my thing right now, doing my job. No, stop. Hold on. How you doing? No, stop. How you doing? Doing my job. City, are you leaving out the city today? Are you vaccinated? You're not vaccinated? Yo, they is bugging right now. I don't know if this is gonna like work out, but I'm gonna try it with like 2 more people, and that's it. Like, I ain't finna be out here about to get into it with somebody over some prank. That ain't me. You know what I'm saying? So look, somebody coming up right now, so you about to see. How you doing, boss?
Good.
You good?
Yeah.
Is that your son in the back? Cool,
Yeah,
cool. Are you vaccinated?
Yeah.
Good. Are you leaving out the state today?
No.
What are your plans? What are your traveling plans?
Just going home.
Go home? Sounds good. Stay warm.
All right, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
All right.
They is not fucking with this. I'm gonna do like 2 more people and then I'm done. Cause they all getting irritated like I'm in their way or something. Like I'm doing something to them. Trying to make sure they vaccinated. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make sure that they safe. I'm trying to make sure that they get home safely. I'm here for your safety. You gonna try to snap at me? Like, what sense does that make? I mean, I'm not vaccinated, but you're vaccinated. You know what I'm saying? Or don't. I'm not even typing in anything. This shit is just, it's a default chart. So he just passed by, she was like, so what are you typing in? I said, alright, have a good day. Hey! Yeah, I ain't messing with you. Hey, wait. Are y'all good?
Yeah.
Are y'all heading out the city today or are y'all good?
No, we're good.
Y'all staying inside?
Yeah.
I don't really care, but I'm just, I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Not with purpose, but it's cold out here. I don't really do the cold, but I did it for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. More bangers on the way, that's all I'm gonna say. Basil game. We lit, baby.